Are you ready to make a switch to the laser industry? Laser Photonics, the industry leader in laser cleaning and cutting equipment, is now hiring. Right now, we're hiring our next generation of sales representatives who are passionate about the future of laser technology. At Laser Photonics, we believe in the power of innovation. Our cutting-edge technology is revolutionizing industries related to aircraft, space, defense, shipbuilding, and nuclear facilities. You'll have the opportunity to work with state-of-the-art laser equipment and a team dedicated to offering world-class products. You'll build relationships with customers, find solutions for their problems, and help grow their business. Are you ready to take the initiative? Join our team of visionaries, creators, and pioneers. Visit our website at laserphotonics.com/careers today to learn more and apply. Laser Photonics is not just a job, it's a journey.